Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine, and the first thing I want to use is some primer. And because my face is really dry, I'm going to use it here on my forehead, be it around my nose and on my chin. For foundation in this video I'm going to be using this one by Estee Lauder, and I'll apply it with a brush, and I'll just start here on the center of my face. Now to highlight my eye area, I'll be combining some concealer with a highlighter, and I will be using this one by The Body Shop, and I'll use just a small amount here. And then I'll just go in with some concealer. And I'll blend that with a sponge. The next thing I want to use will be this Wonder Stick. It's a contour stick by NYX. I'm not going to contour my whole face, I'm just going to give a bit of definition, so I'm going to be using the darker shade here on my forehead, like that, and just a bit here. With a damp sponge, I'll be blending that in. Now the next step, it's really optional. You don't have to do it if you don't do it on a regular basis. But because my skin is really oily, mostly here on the forehead and on my chin, as well here on my cheeks, I'm going to be using a face powder and apply it with a small fluffy brush. Now for the eyes, I will be using exclusively only eyeshadows from this eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel. And on my brow bone, I'll be going with this shade right here. The next shade will be this kind of peachy shade, and I'll apply it onto my crease. And with a fluffier brush, I will be taking this kind of purple shade, and I'll apply it all over my lid. And now with a really small brush, I will be taking again this color right here, and I'll apply it on the lower lash line. And with the same brush, or if you want, you can use another one, I'll be taking this shade right here, and I'll apply it on the inner corner. I'll just apply some blush, and I will be using this one by Chanel. Now for mascara, I will be using this one by Too Faced. I'm not going to be applying any false lashes because this is my everyday makeup routine, and on a daily basis I'm not wearing any false lashes. I like keeping it really simple, but you can do it if you want to. And for the lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick by Givenchy. yeah, and this is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.